The demands of today's fast-paced marketplace places strains on prototyping and fabrication stages of product development in order to meet customer expectations and be first to market. Those who do this daily know that it's almost never linear and filled with potential issues blocking success. Teams often need to move back and forth between 3D modeling, simulation, electronics, and more during the process to develop multiple design iterations before reaching the final design for production. Traditional design and manufacturing tools force fragmented workflows, requiring shortcuts to be made in the process to save time and limiting opportunities for design experimentation, ultimately resulting in missed opportunities to create the best product possible. Traditional tools simply do not meet today's needs of designers and innovators. Fusion 360 steps in where others fall short with an integrated cloud-based CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB tools that enables teams to quickly explore multiple design iterations, then seamlessly prototype and fabricate them. During every stage of the development process, communication is a vital part of success. The use of multiple software systems limits opportunities for both internal and external collaboration. Fusion 360 allows every team member to seamlessly share files back and forth, leave comments directly in a file, or collaborate with other teams in the same environment, enabling true collaboration at every stage of the process from concept to launch. By optimizing your prototyping and fabrication processes with Fusion 360, teams can develop products with confidence, without sacrificing dependability, speed, or quality, allowing for better products to be created that stand out in a crowded market.